So firstly in Google, you have to just type Zoho Books. यहाँ पर there is two options, sign in and sign up now. So sign up now. So if you are first time user, you can just enter your company name, email address, mobile number, the password that you required. Your data will be Indian data center and this thing, and I agree and create wire. This is the basic thing that you have to do once you want to just use the trial version or sign up in Zoho Books. Okay? But I want to make your attention to this thing, that is Indian data center and US data center. So basically, if you are in Indian data center, means your location is in India, you have to specifically see that your data should be .in. Okay, because your data is in Indian data center. लेकिन अगर आपकी books of accounts out of India की, suppose that you are having a client from say Canada, then you have to specifically go and work for .com. Okay, zohobooks.com, and not in Indian data center, because data centers are a very important thing once you try to use Zoho Books. ठीक है, तो अगर आपके इंडियन क्लाइंट्स है, ऑलवेज क्रिएट योर अकाउंट इन .in extension, and if your client overseas, then you can use .com. That is all about data center, but it has to be very much clear once you start using this. Now I have already signed up, so मैं directly sign in करूंगी with one of my email IDs, so that we can create a. So from here, suppose that you have an organization, मतलब आपका already registered है, so you just have to mention your user ID and password, and directly it will show it to your different organization. But एक email ID में आप एक से ज्यादा organization create कर सकते हो. जैसे टेली में कैसे होता है, मैंने एक जन का सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया, ठीक है, मैंने पूरा टेली का सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया, उसमें मैं n नंबर ऑफ कंपनीज ओपन कर सकती हूँ. लेकिन जोहो में आप एक ईमेल आईडी पे 5 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, 5 से ज्यादा नहीं कर सकते. ओके, सो यू कैन क्रिएट 5 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन वन सिंगल ईमेल आईडी. So let's just create a new organization here. Say I am just creating this for our purpose. Location India. Industry, let's just select any, say, and say manufacturing, so that we will be able to access some inventory के जो settings है वो भी. So these are the basic setup that it requires. State, whichever industry you belong, currency, is your business registered in India? So say yes. You have to just enter. अगर आपका registered है GST में, तो you have to just enter your GST number. So let's just take a random GST number for our purpose. Just a second. If you have any question, let me just complete this one, and then I will get back to the questions. Just a second. So I'm just randomly taking any of the GST number which is available in Google for our trial basis. But through this thing, you can set up the Zoho. So this is our organization. We are just doing. So this is the dashboard. अब हम हमारी organization create हुई, and we, yes, everything that you require. Suppose that you don't have any company, you can require You can mention your name also, your email ID, your mobile number, everything is valid. Okay.
No,
So,
ma'am, and GST number we can put
ah,
no, no.
yes, yes, yes. If you don't have a GHC number, then you can, मतलब जो वहाँ पर ऐसे स्लैश का ऑप्शन था, you can enable enable that. ठीक है, तो जरूरी नहीं है. If you are not registered, it is not required to compulsory to mention the GST number.
Okay, ma'am.
So this way we have created an organization. So I want to focus mainly on some few things that are required to be understood on a what we can say setting up. तो सबसे पहले जब हम एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन क्रिएट करते हैं, सो एज आई प्रीवियसली मेंशन्ड विद अ वन ईमेल आईडी यू कैन क्रिएट 5 नंबर ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. 5 से ज्यादा यू कैन नॉट क्रिएट. ठीक है. सो with your email you can create, and the user id for your particular email is this user id, and for your respective organization that is organization id. तो सपोज करें कि मेरा अभी क्लाउड बुक्स अकेडमी में मैं रन कर. सो दिस आप यहाँ से जब ये चेक करेंगे ना, तो आपको दिख जाएगा कि आपकी मेल आईडी पे कौन से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अभी करंटली रनिंग. ओके, यू विल बी एबल टू सी फ्रॉम दिस ड्रॉप डाउन. So you can select any of the organization and go to them. So similarly, like Tele में कैसे we used to just enter the path and then we used to go to that particular organization. यहाँ पर you by simply clicking on this you will be able to access the organization that you currently want to do. Okay. Yes. So this is the organization ID that is respectively to batch 7, and this user ID belongs to the mail ID, the particular mail ID that you have registered for this. Now, one more thing you should be very much careful is that if you want to create an organization uh, for your client, always take the mail ID of that respective, what we can say, the main head, because once an organization is created with a particular mail ID, it is not possible to shift the same to another mail ID. Okay? So always be sure of creating the organization. Use the email ID that is going to last forever. तो जो फाउंडर है, सपोज के यू आर क्रिएटिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ अ स्टार्टअप, so try to get the mail id of the authorized person who will be there in the organization for a long run. So that is very much useful. Now I will just explain all these things कि ये सब क्या क्या हो रहा है, what is explanation here. So these are some of the, if you click on the right side, these are some of the apps available. यहाँ पर finance app, billing, inventory, checkout, commerce. So you can go to this particular and then you can check all these details if you want to get the data of any particular app, finance app. Where, as I told, Zoho has other apps also. The list of the same is here. For email and collaboration, these are the apps for sale, marketing, help, human resource, business process, every app. अगर आपको कोई भी ऐप की जानकारी चाहिए, any information you require, you can just click on this and they will get back to you to that particular app. So this is all about these dots. Now here, as I explained, user ID, you have your account created where you can get all the data of your accounts, or you can sign out from this particular organization. Then if you want some of the FAQs or something, you can get it from here. Now, we are going to cover the setting parts. In meantime, after explaining all these things, we are going to cover the setting parts in and out. Setting parts में how we have to do this thing, what are the things that are required to be taken care of while creating an organization, पूरा हम देखेंगे. Here, under the notification, all the notification that is issued within your organization as well as any notification that is issued by Zoho team, यहाँ पर आपको reflect होगी. Then you can quick create from this thing. You can quick create user, item, inventory, JV, सब कुछ आप यहाँ से प्लस बटन से भी create कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. Now this shows that there is a trial expiring 14. So for any organization, suppose that you are a student and you have just started using Zoho Books and you want to learn it, और सपोज दैट यू आर एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जिनको देखना है कि जोहो बुक्स मेरे लिए सुटेबल है कि नहीं, whether I will what we can say, whether my organization will be able to shift to Zoho Books directly or not. So you can opt for the 14 days trial period. तो आप 14 days के ट्रायल पीरियड में यू कैन यूज जोहो बुक्स एंड देन डिसाइड दैट वेदर योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन requires Zoho Books in and out or not.